Well, howdy there, partners. My name is Cowboy Caleb, and I would like you to visit thecalebstudio.wordpress.com for more information about my YouTube channel. Now, in this video, I am packing to go to camp. This weekend we are going to camp, and it's really fun there. We usually get to target practice, cook, have campfires, yeah, do all sorts of things. And one of the nights I am going to camp out in a tent. The other 2 nights I'm just gonna sleep in a cabin. But yeah, I am getting ready to go to camp this weekend. It's quite a drive, so have to pack some things to keep entertained on the drive. Yeah, but don't forget, I won't forget to pack a headlamp just in case, because we do stay out by the campfire till dark, and it's pretty dark, so you want to bring a headlamp. I'll just put this on to keep you guys entertained and stay on topic. Look pretty funny in a headlamp with my cowboy hat. But yeah, I am going camping right now, and hold on just a second. As you can see, I turned the lights off, and I am using this headlamp to see where I am going. Yeah, I almost look like I'm a miner, but I'm not. And always want to bring a power bank just in case. Don't know if any of the things that I need to keep charged will die while I'm there, so I'm going to bring the charging cord with it and use. I have a solar powered power bank, so yeah, I am going camping this weekend. I'm packing today. We leave 2 days from now, on Saturday, and come back Tuesday. Yeah, I'm all ready. Or, no, not really. I'm ready for camp, but yeah, I am going to bring some cameras to record a video, for you guys to watch. So, yeah, I think that would be cool. I always like recording videos on vacation trips, and, I'm not gonna bring this cowboy hat, so when you see me, you'll probably see me in my green and black hat for, that I wear for fishing. But yeah, I'm not gonna bring this backpack that I'm wearing right now, actually. Yeah, it's a hiking backpack. I just showed it to you guys to, get an example going. But yeah, let's see, what else do I need to bring? This is the power bank that I was telling you guys about. Should probably turn on a light. This is a really nice power bank. It has a flashlight, if I can turn it on. Yeah, a flashlight. Yeah, it's pretty bright. And it's solar powered, as you can see. It's got 3 charging ports, USB and USB-C, and then charging port for an Apple, if you had like an Apple phone or watch. It's pretty cool. And it's dark green, my favorite color. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this on the trip so that can stay safe, and yeah, trying to turn this off. Yeah, that's what I want to talk to you guys about. Yeah, it's not really like a fancy camping trip, but it's just we like to go camping once a year on the beginning of June. Yeah, and like to camp in our cabins It's so you get the cabin feel during the night. And this is the end of this camping video. And I will see you next week.